guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Education worry Iyore. When you tell me, no you pay matter Iyore. Since you are Igbo, then practically you are not Igbo.
Automatically yes. Whenever you are not hearing that, well. Oh, your back, you get him off in your Zara. Iyore your battle for a demography to come out today with Iyore my daughter. Oh, there Iyore la. Your library, and then our yobo. Iyore na jero na ya to get out table. No little ball work with Iyore. No you have any Iyore. I get out table. I don't know if you don't know what's going on my way. You don't know where me go when I'm here to go have your living. No boy.
If I'm a problem, Iyore, if I nigga see go in your nigga, mommy, and I want me.
Iyore Doria, what do the boy do? Vico, the boy, what do destroy you? Don't to play for one. You ever tell a video man on here? Away when Mungu for Gamago shop. I don't even hear no fair. The thing they vex me. The thing why even make me like come out for live video. My talk to a make I talk to this Iyore. The thing they vex me. Now my wife they hold me since I want to talk to this and the both of you come out begin they talk nonsense to. The thing they vex me.
Epa ege that when our no battle born and in your cock battle on our when here value dog by yaje. So we was in here the league again on that.
I was thinking your boy. Well, you know, go and meet about the go and meet about there. Now, Zeke, your boy.
Daddy.
Eba. What talk about you?
My daughter, my good daughter,
all daughter. When the marriage in herself, for example, you know, gives her dinner. A daughter, you. You know, gives her dinner.
Oh, waiting here, banana me where or more.
God bless you, my God bless. That only not provoking me nowhere because it's not since Adam may watch a video, but necessarily destiny, you are not praising these people, you are mocking them. Yeah.
I know we video ni Esther destiny ya roda kalopi odoko agaku gbe ya me lawa ya do ye.
Ya ma lawa. Isokenasha wag manasha we no tie bonela la video. O be tamo da for we support e areba. No ho wa mo isoke.
Ani ne regro di ya ave boy do regro di ya ne ke dia ya lo mi fone.
The thing they verse me. And the muffin, my tell you what I'm going. Yeah, na me go uja here the muffin. Oh my God!
Oh yeah, comment in a web. Pardon, they call me your son. It cannot be your son.
I'll tell you about
Good evening. Good evening. No wasunu na imauti kwayo. Why minita? Imate oni kwayo beg me no sunu na. Whether sorry to say whether destiny marry second wife or marry three wife number one. It not concern the movie. It not still concern we when they talk for the matter. Sorry if I offend anybody.
Thank you very much.
We when they talk about the matter, it not concern us. Number one, I remember say Esther lost the father. Esther lost the father. So Esther, they're not people money for Esther head. If want go do it, Esther must do papa burial, and Destiny must be there. So Destiny have to do the first marriage before I go do the second marriage. If I don't know where this thing from they come. And Esther don't already go long way for Destiny life. See, for this life, person they where they open door for person, even though the person don't do, he knew. The minute you meet this person will be your savior. Just to give her small backup, she will be the front line for you. As it be for man, so it be for woman, so it be for baby. So people they born you, that people go bring open doors for them. You understand? Person they will go born you now, that people go bring open doors. Person they will go new married, the marriage go bring open doors. Man go bring open doors, so it be for Destiny. Number one, I not say where person go come out, but they say who don't die, they say they talk about some. Destiny don't marry. Whether it come out for social media, not come out, the woman don't know before. Say the thing come out for social media. Before he say no get womb, the woman don't forget how many children, and then one call the rush to born. Then I don't know what to make that they go do that marriage. Esther lost the father.
No, this thing what they talk so all of us know. You know what they pay me for inside be say now people when they do godmother godfather for social media now I can draw their leg come out on that less than 6 hours.
My sister, now here you tell us say godfather godmother no dey work. Now here you follow say godfather godmother e no dey work. Even your godmother dey jealous your godfather dey jealous. Even though your godfather dey jealous.
For wetin happen so me come fear say the Murphy and Iyore they jealous these people. They just they do say they be their godfather. They jealous them because the person when you love, you know, even if you see where they do the bad, you need to fight for them. I don't know whether you understand.
I beg you, may I say one thing, my sister, may I talk one thing. Which marriage they don't do for Benin when shake the whole world? May I say shake Benin, shake Europe.
Mama, bring it down. Me and they go. Let's start.
Which marriage they don't do? The Murphy do marriage. The Murphy do marriage when shake everywhere.
No,
I give God also for mercy. Make the city.
The marriage, bros, I tell you, where are you with us in the because the marriage, the saga don't already the ground before. They don't want to talk about them for social media before. Anything when they do now, they must talk about them.
Host, I beg you, wait to. So the saga the woman, money they go. The first time they saga the woman, the woman they Europe they pluck him money. They just they social media they talk about the woman they go show.
Shake like that. Why is shake?
See, bro, you know how this matter be.
Madam yo.
Oh my God.
Kame pa no gwa. Where a marriage is shaking the body. More than shaking the body. Oh, inside the one I shake it.
Not shake it.
What shake it though? What shake it?
If I can do good of matter where a two-faced marriage. I have to wait for a program a two-faced
honest word in here. No, we are here. I'm at the professor and I didn't care with a power money. Only a couple of Wahala.
So it's not where as a guy we have to talk about a young way
social media the way it's freelance. Social media what I'm going to talk about my age. Maybe not talk people marriage. I love about church while we do what there.
No more coming like